Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to install Mysql on Debian 13 server. Now I am checking my server is Debian 13. Yes, this is Debian 13. I am trying to install Mysql command, Mysql server. This is error, not install. Now I am going to step 1 for dependency wget and the gpu peg package, and then install next manual command for mysql apt config dep package. Okay, I see package installation successfully done. Now manual download this package. Okay, and then dpkg option I am going to select Debian back on, and then select MySQL 80 and then click OK. Okay, now going to temp file for some dependency error. Download this package and then install this package for MySQL server 8 dependency, and then apt update MySQL repo update. Okay, done. Now install MySQL server using this command. Install MySQL server. Okay, I see connect Debian 12 backroom code using MySQL 8 and from my Debian 13 server. Enter root MySQL password and re-enter root password. Okay, yes, recommended password encryption done. I see all successfully installation done using Debian 13. Successfully installation done. Now I am trying to log in my school terminal using my password. Okay, yes, successfully login done using created password. Next step, install PhpMyAdmin for database manage from web server. Okay, now select web server. I am using Apache 2. This is all successfully installation, all package. Now promote MySQL root password configuration. Install PHP 8.4. This is latest version. Install. Creating configuration file, ini file. Update alternative PHP file. Configure database for PhpMyAdmin with dbconfig common. Press enter. Yes. Then type root password I am previously created, and then again type this password. Okay, all is successfully status. dbconfig common, PhpMyAdmin config common is successfully done. Now this just minute service Apache to restart. Yes, just Apache web server restart. and then access this web link for login PhpMyAdmin. Okay, this is correct, and you can try to log in, set up using password. Yes, successfully login done. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.